Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker JVC with your PC. You have to start by click at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. After that, you need to click Add Device at the right top. If you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. Click on it, and right here in this window we need to select Bluetooth. Now, we should turn on the speaker, so right here at the top we have this power button at the left top, and you need to press and hold it. When you turn on it, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, and we will see it at the device list. If you don't want to enter pairing mode automatically, you need to disconnect it from your previous device. Just disconnect it, you don't need to fully remove it from your device, and then you will see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!